Hello guys, welcome to Square Ninja, and in this video we will see what are the most essential setting for the Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast SEO is a very powerful SEO plugin, and it gives a lot of features like which pages you want to index, which pages you don't want to index, and what are the how you can create the sitemap, and which you can submit to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. So in this video I will tell you which settings you should do for better rankings and to avoid the duplicate content issue, and to avoid the pages which has no value. That pages should be a no index by Google. So let's start with this general setting. In the dashboard, you will see the notification only, and the feature. In the feature section, you can turn everything on, and so that readability analysis, cornerstone, text counter will be appeared when you will start writing your text post. In the XML sitemaps, if you want to generate the XML sitemap for your blog, then you have to click on this icon, and you can see the XML sitemap from here. See, like this is the XML sitemap of this blog. So this you can submit to Google Search Console. So if you want to know that how to submit that, you can check our SEO tutorials which are prepared by Rubel. So that you can check there. So next thing is Webmaster Tools. In the Webmaster Tools section, when you will submit your website to Google and Bing, they provide the verification code which you can put here to simply verify your website. Uh, if you put the code here and you verify the website from Google and Bing, then you don't need to upload anything to your cPanel. So it's very easy to verify your website from this Yoast SEO plugin. The next thing is search appearance. Here you have to define how your website should look online. In the general setting, you can define the title separator, which kind of separator you want to select, then which that you can select from this. But it's not so important. Next, we go to the content type. See, post and pages are the most important content on your website, and show post in search result. You should click this yes. If you will click this no, then it will no index your post, and your post will not appear in the search result. So you have to take care of this. You have to select yes for the post, and same you have to select yes for the pages. Next thing is the date is not mandatory to show. If you want to show the date, then you can click on show, and if you want to hide that, then you can click on the hide. For a news website, it's good if you click on if you want to show the date. And for other kind of website, if you want to show that your content is evergreen type, then you can hide this. So it will not show the date in the SERP result. Next thing, here you can do the same. You can hide the date. So that's it for the post and pages. Now we come to the media part. In the media and attachment URL, you should select yes, redirect to the attachment itself. Next is taxonomies. This is very important. See, there is a duplicate content issue when you index your categories and tags. So for the categories, you can select no. If you will select no, it will not index your categories. So you can select no, and it will no index your category. Next thing is for the tag, you should do it no index. So you have to select no. Actually, Yoast always keep updating their plugins, so these settings may change, but you have to take care that category and tags should be no index. So these are the most essential settings which you should do. And the format, you should also show format in search result. No, you can also do this. So, and next thing is the category URL. Yeah, remove the category prefix. Yeah, remove. You have to select this, remove. If you want to show the category, then you can put it keep, but it will create the problem, as they said category URL in WordPress contain a prefix like this feature remove that prefix for category only, so you should remove this. Next we move to the archive. So there are the two type of archive, basically author archive and date archive. So both these are not required uh, for the uh, for the ranking purpose. So it will create the duplicate content issue if you enable this. So it's better to disable the author and date based archives. Next thing we move to the breadcrumbs, and you can enable or disable it. It's your choice. So there are uh, sometime in the themes also there is option to enable the breadcrumbs, which you can do from your theme, and you can also do it from this Yoast SEO plugin. So that's it. These are the basic settings which you can do. Other things are search console. That's not that mandatory, but you can do that. You can verify your Google authorization code, and you can link your Yoast search console with the Yoast SEO. In the social, you can link all your social media pages like Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all other pages. I think yes, so you can do that. And tools premium, so these are the basic settings which you should do. So once again, I will tell you that you should know index your category and tags, and also the author and date archives, and you should index your post and pages. So your post and pages should be indexed, and your categories, tags, and archive, date archive, and author archive should be no index. So with these settings, your host SEO is good to go. So for more SEO tutorials and more information about YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, digital marketing, you can subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.